I spent a number of years representing police officers, Chicago police officers, against plaintiffs. And now I represent citizens against law enforcement officers. And so I've got an interesting perspective on the value of law enforcement. And as someone who files lawsuits against police officers and who spent a lot of time defending police officers, I've seen things from both sides. And what's important to understand is that the biggest enemy of good law enforcement is bad law enforcement. It's not plaintiffs' attorneys. It's not civil rights attorneys. Civil rights attorneys, what we do is we shine a light on bad law enforcement and show people what needs to be fixed. Because if you don't have a strong professional police force, disciplined, professional, responsible, then you don't have effective law enforcement. You just don't. You don't have the trust of the community, and you'll probably have problems within the department because the good officers are not being supported and they're always having to cover for the bad officers. And so what civil rights attorneys do is shine a light on that by way of representing their clients to make sure their clients get compensated for the wrongs that were done to them. But on a larger scale, what we're doing is we're pointing out problems with law enforcement, and ideally, the result is a better police force, and a police force that now sees things that they didn't see or they didn't know existed because of individual experiences. So as an individual whose rights may have been violated, when you bring a meritorious claim, you are shining a light on a problem that may be a much larger problem than anyone realized. And so you're operating not only on behalf of yourself to be compensated, but on behalf of thousands, maybe millions of people who will benefit by the reforms brought on by your litigation.